Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Cudy AC750 dual band Wi-Fi range extender setup in very simple and easy way. The Cudy AC750 dual band Wi-Fi range extender is a compact device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi coverage by eliminating dead zones in your home or office. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the Cudy AC750 dual band Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the extender unit itself, a quick installation guide for easy setup, and sometimes a warranty card for product support. The package is simple and includes everything you need to get started right away. Now plug the Cudy AC750 extender into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED turns solid. Find the WPS button on your main router. It might be on the front, back, or side panel. In some routers, you may need to enable WPS in the router's settings before using it. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS light on the router will start blinking, showing it's ready to connect. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS, press the WPS button on your Cudy extender. The signal LED on the extender will begin flashing. After a few seconds, the extender will automatically connect to your router. The signal/link LED will turn solid, green or blue depending on model. This means the connection is successful. Once connected, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Ensure the signal LED is solid, not weak or blinking. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. You'll see a new network name, usually your router's SSID with EXT at the end, for example, Home Wi-Fi XT. Connect to it, no password needed if your router already uses the same Wi-Fi credentials. Done. Your Cudy AC750 extender is now boosting your Wi-Fi using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.